Hey fellow creators, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate unlimited AI videos using Google VO3 absolutely free. Yes, you heard that right, free of cost. But here's the catch. The real trick to unlock Google VO3 for free is explained somewhere in the video. So make sure you watch till the end without skipping, or you'll miss the most important part. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It takes a lot of time to bring you helpful content like this. Your support really means a lot. So what exactly is Google VO3? It's an AI video tool by Google DeepMind that turns simple text prompts into cinematic, high-quality videos. It can even handle sketches and images, making your vision more accurate and detailed. No camera, no editing, just pure creativity powered by AI. Let's go to the Google VO3 site and generate some ultra-realistic videos. Here we are on the official VO page. To start, you'll either need to sign in with a Google account or access it through Google's Gemini platform under the Video Generation tab. Now I'm going to type in a simple prompt, and we'll start with something cinematic. Prompt 1, Futuristic City. For this first one, I'm creating a futuristic neon-lit city at night. Here's the prompt I'm entering. A futuristic neon-lit city at night, flying cars moving through the skyline, rain falling gently, reflections on wet streets with ambient synthwave music. This should look like a sci-fi movie scene, full of lights, smooth motion, and atmosphere. Let's hit generate and wait a few seconds. Boom. Look at that. The detail in the reflections, the lighting, even the flying cars. This is next level. Prompt 2. Wildlife and nature. All right, now let's try something more natural and scenic. Typing in a herd of wild horses running across a foggy mountain valley during sunrise, dust in the air, slow motion movement, and distant thunder sounds. This should test how VO handles movement, depth, and nature scenes. Wow, the motion blur, the dust, and the lighting make this feel like it was filmed with a real camera. Prompt 3, alien planet. And now something creative. Let's go sci-fi again, but with a twist. Prompt, an alien desert planet with 2 suns in the sky, glowing blue plants, floating rocks, and a humanoid explorer walking slowly in the distance. This one should give us a surreal, otherworldly vibe, perfect for storytelling or fantasy content. Insane, right? The floating rocks and glowing vegetation. This looks like something from a high-budget game trailer. But wait, here's the real trick to get Google VO3 absolutely free for 15 months. In my previous video, I showed step-by-step how to unlock Google VO3 using a method that gives you access for over a year. Totally free. You can find link in the description. But hold on, don't skip this video just yet. Watch this one completely first, because I'm showing you how to use it, how to generate videos properly, and bonus tips you'll miss otherwise. Once you're done, just go back and check out my previous video. Link is in the description or pinned comment, and unlock your free access for 15 months. Here's how to write a perfect prompt. Keep your prompts detailed. Mention setting, lighting, action, and mood. Try including camera movements like zoom in or pan right. Use different styles, cinematic, anime, fantasy, etc. Want longer videos? Generate clips in parts and stitch them together in an editor. If you have any question, drop a comment below. I'll try my best to help you out. In the next video, I'll show you how to become Google VO3 Prompt Master. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss it.